Welcome back, guys, to another video on JPro 3087. Today, guys, we are going to be making new levels because who in the world wants to play this? There's nothing to it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to add more levels. So here, we're going to look at this main code here. So we're going to zoom out, bring it all the way to the side for us. And here is where the coding begins. We're going to do another if here from last time. A touching color trigger that. And as well, we are going to add whatever that was. There. So let's see how it does. That literally just does nothing. That does nothing. Like, actually nothing, though. So that's why we are going to do next backdrop. And also, why did I not name the costume player? Player. Yeah, that's how you. Player. Next backdrop. But only here. So here, we are going to add drop. We are going to make this here, top to bottom, from white Oh wait, dang it. That just decided to come out. But what I did is I added this here. Sorry about that, guys. Press the arrow keys to move. Just this. And on the second backdrop, don't touch spikes. Also, we do not need that there. That's basically it. And here, if you guys want to look at this for a minute, you can pause and catch up. Okay. By the way, you could pause. Okay. So, level 2 is supposed to be a small spike. So level 3 could be that, but a slight bit different. So you see here, copy. We're just gonna add this here, though, instead. Wait, actually, we don't need that. Because if we go to player, and we go let's make a new variable called player x speed. Oh man, I did cancel. Player x speed set player x speed to 0. And actually here we're just going to that 8 to make this here -8. And then just change x by player x speed. Yeah, but here or I'm gonna put here if not and key right arrow and key left arrow here. If not either one of those, it will come on, Scratch. It will set player x speed to 0. So that's level 1. And also I'm here. And green flag collect forever. If touching color this and player x speed is greater than 0, then set player x speed to 0. And also we're going to not do smooth landing, but clean moving, I guess. And a run without screen refresh. We're going to put clean moving here, and then change x by -8. And if still you are touching that color, then change x by 8 again. So it's that simple. Here. Here. And then yes, we're here now. What? Actually, instead, what we can do is make it completely black and make it 10. Just here. Make this line here. Change it to a 20. Here. We're going to slide it over. Copy, paste. Slide it over here. So instead what we're going to do is here, instead of that, oh wait, what just happened? Wait, what? How does that happen? I don't know, but I guess it's impossible to do that. Yeah, no. So here I'm just going to put in a little bit interesting here. And I actually forgot this is only supposed to be a simple platformer. So we don't need all the crazy stuff. You're just going to be this guy jumping through obstacles and just floating around everywhere. And level 4, right here, it's going to be this. But instead of that being there, we add this bad boy. Here, so now, so here, actually though, let's get this out of the way really quick. I'll move this over a lot. Just because, we don't want this to be impossible. So here, what we do is we jump in between. So I've just make this. Here, level 5 is just this. Except this time, things are, a little bit tighter, I'd say. So here. Yeah, right, like, I'll be able to do that. So this could go here. Yeah, it could just be a simple mechanism, Here. Do that. And then here, it's like that, I guess. So you do the jump. Then after level 5, it's going to be level 6, and it's going to say you win. Right here. You win. It's gonna say you win. And just so that they don't get bored, I guess, there's going to be a spike here. Copy, paste. Another spike here. Copy, paste. Yet again, another spike here. So there's a little bit of more platforming to do, I guess. But that's it for the series of simple platforming. See you guys in the next video. Bye.